Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, we got a treat in the shop now. Look at that big gun. On 6 scale. Honda. I really like these. Actually, I like the CBR more, like this model, but the CB750 was one of my favorites from back in the day. And one of my cousins, he had one. I'm not sure if his was a 600 or maybe it was 650. But anyways, always liked this style of motorcycle. I've always liked them. And thought it was gonna be a really cool build. At 1/6 scale should be pretty good sized model, right? So there's a big scale on it. So yeah, Tamiya. You always do really good models. So especially motorcycles, my favorite. So anyways, let's open this box up and see what we got, eh? Yeah. I'll be definitely putting this box art on my wall for sure. Take a look. Ooh. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, baby! Oh, look at that! Wow! Crazy! Cool. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, 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 fun. Look at that. Wow. I think it actually has metal shocks in it too, I believe. Springs there. Wow. Awesome. I love it. Got here. I love it. Look at that. Wow. Crazy. Decals. This is, grab oh, it's actually not that big of a booklet, actually. But anyways, we'll get to that in a minute. Crazy. This is going to be a very, very cool build. Look at that. Wow. Crazy stuff. Cool. Frame. Lots of... Holy Moses, look at that, eh? Wow. Jesus. Lots of good stuff. Got 2 of them. That's weird. Maybe one in a different language. Wow, just tons and tons of parts. Just goes on and on and on. Cool. Oh, this is going to be a super fun kit. Man, this is going to be looking nice. Tells you how to detail everything. Some tech tips. Well, I'll save that for another time. So it gives you 2 books. That's kind of weird. Oh, one's in Chinese, I think. One's in English. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, one's in Japanese. This is Chinese. This is Japanese, and this is English. It's good. So you guys, some of you guys who speak Japanese, you can read this. Cool. Very cool. Yeah. A lot of times when you get these motorcycle kits, they come in written in Japanese, and they can't, like all the instructions are written in Japanese, so you don't know what the hell they're talking about, right? Like, well, what is this? What is that? I mean, obviously you can tell by the picture. Even the numbers are all in their own kind of spelling, so you don't know what the hell it is and what number it is or nothing. But this is English, so cool. Yeah, I'm really gonna love building this thing, or hate it. It might be a love-hate relationship, right? All right, lads, we're gonna start on it. Get on with it, right? It tells you the actual length to the bike originally. Wow. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching my video, and you find this stuff interesting, remember to come back and check out my video for new content on this build. I want to thank my subscribers and such, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It all helps. And yeah, if you have any questions about this kit, just post it in the comments below. I'll try to I'll try to comment back when I have a chance. Alright lads, thanks for watching. See ya.